Alright, so we're going to be taking off this. This is a SkyTech gaming computer. We're going to be taking it apart, well, slightly apart. We're going to be putting in some sky blue, beautiful cables. Look at those pretty cables. And clean up this cable management some. There's plenty of room in the back for extra storage. So I'm not sure why they elected to put all the cords up front. There's plenty of room to hide all those cords back here to make this computer build look a lot better. That's what we're going to be doing. It's nice that they zip tied them, but still they should put all the cables in the back. There's no reason for all this stuff to be up here. And what you need to do is try to figure out whether or not you're on the inside of the curve or the outside of the curve. And most of the time we're going to be on the inside of the curve, which means the latch is on the inside. I always use the cable combs, if nothing else, at the very beginning, so that way the cords have time to take shape. But I don't mind them at all. Some people seem to frown on them. Looks pretty good. And the back is just going to come around and come down somewhere, since this has plenty of space. Now we just need one 8-pin for the GPU, and we're going to take this probably out the bottom. So this is going to be on the inside of the curve. I'm sorry, outside of the curve. Look at that. So the pin is on the outside of the curve with this one. So when you have these cables that are just the generics, instead of buying the good custom ones, you'll need to make sure if you buy the good custom ones, you have to tell them if you want your latches on the inside or the outside of the curve. And this latch right here is going to be on the outside of the curve. Already looking 10 times better than it did before. I mean, there's no reason why this back fan right here can't be run to the fan strip that's right there. There's no reason at all for that. I would put at least a semi-modular power supply in here, so that way you wouldn't have a plethora of extra cables that you don't even need. But beggars can't be choosers. Look how much cleaner that looks already. I mean, why? There's no reason for all the cables to be up here. If you have a case that has the nice little cover that covers this whole part area up completely, then sure. But if you don't, and you have a case that has room in the back, why wouldn't you put all these cables back there? Next cord we're going to do is the CPU, which is just a 4-pin. Now the fun part. Is it going to be pretty in the back? No. But will it look a lot better in the front where you can actually see stuff? Oh my god, yeah. So there you go. I don't know about you, but I think that looks a lot better. Move that audio cable too. Every little bit helps. So there you have it. There is taking a SkyTech gaming computer, and with about, what was it, about 40 minutes of work, we can rewire it and make it look a lot nicer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.